Good morning, friends. Good morning, my fellow traders. Good morning, my students and all my subscribers. My name is Samuel Okoyacha. I want to give you a midweek update on my weekly analysis on currency pairs, commodity, stock, cryptocurrency. Today is Wednesday, the 14th day of April 2021. The time now is 8:12 a.m. in Biafra, West Africa. Okay, I start. Okay, DXY. Let me start with DXY as usual. DXY. In my last update, I suggested that either we have a drop down, you can see the line, or we wait for the price to break this and give us a correction. You can see price tested it and it's still going down. So what should we do next? We need to have patience to know whether we are going to break this or not. As a matter of fact, this is what I'm expecting. Price will do something like this. I expect price to maybe somewhere here break this place, maybe buy for a meantime, then the big selling will stop. Remember, see this line have been there for long. It indicates that we're gonna have that buying is almost over. So as you're looking for buy, don't think the buying will be that much. The buying will not be much because maybe we might not get to this place again unless we see a strong move. Right now the sellers are coming in force, so in as much the market is moving sideways, the sideways, I don't like trading such trade because it can turn to anything at any time. Let me remove all these old signs. A sideways trading can surprise you at any time, so I don't like trading them. It's high risk trading unless maybe you have a lot of money and you open it with a small lot size, then you don't have to worry. So because of the way it's moving, I expect a sharp move, but the buying might not be much. We might not get to this place again before we get the continue that we take the price to 88, 89 area. So that's all we have for DSY. Let's go to USD. USD is almost the same thing happening to the opposite direction. In USD, I told you as long as this channel remains unbroken, that we will you can see it. If we get a close below this line and get a correction, we sell. But you can see price pierced the trend, but it couldn't close below the target. There are reasons I always tell you to sell or buy after the price closes below a particular price action. There's a reason for that. That's what you will know if you join our Telegram channel. Okay, you can see the price is going up, but the force is not that much. So in this case, this channel might be broken. We might have a sell that will come down maybe around here, and the buying will continue. So the main trend now is turning to buy, but because it's going sideways, I don't see a reason to buy until it breaks this level properly. So let's continue to see how it develops. So for now, no immediate buy or sell unless you are trading lower time frame like 1 hour downwards. You can get your buy or sell. JPY. And that's going. Pardon, just a moment. The internet is slow. This is what we suffer in Nigeria. Just a moment. Let me get back my internet. Okay, it's restored. We continue. That's Nigeria for you. Okay, so in Euro JPY, there's no immediate reason for buy and no immediate reason for sell. So we just forget about the Euro JPY for now. I haven't seen any clear move, either selling or buying. You can see, I said in my last analysis, if price breaks here, we target here. If it breaks here, we target here. But you can see it broke here and go back, and there is no strength either up or down. So we keep watching how it goes. Maybe in 1 hour we might have something in 1 hour, but I don't like that going down to 1 hour all the time, because I don't have all this time. Let's forget that for now. Let's go to other page. Euro AUD. In Euro AUD, we are getting signs of selling. This sharp move is trying to trigger selling, but right now, of course, every trade have its risk. Here is where I said if price close above here, below here, then we will sell. So for now, if you want to trade this pair, you can enter trade now. Then here will be your stop loss. Here will be your stop loss, and target will be below this low. So that's what I can say about that. So, but for now, I'm not trading it for now. Reason is that I want to see a nice correction. You know, this candle have not closed. So if this candle give us maybe in 1 hour, we see a nice correction in 1 hour. Correction like ABC. You see how it's moving. If it give us ABC, then we can sell. For now, it's not advisable to sell when the price is moving like this. Let the moving stop and give us ABC, something like this, something like something like 3-wave pullback, A, B, C. Then we sell from here. So for now, we be on the sideline on this very trade for now. Let's go to next pair. The next Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand, just like Euro AUD, but this I can trade this because we have the chances of going down to this place. So this can be traded. This can be traded. Stop loss will be here. I take profit will be here. If the trade continues down, it will likely break this place. So if you want to trade, sell Euro, say Euro New Zealand, at least you target this place. So, but for right now, this drop is big. If the coming 2 candles will give us sideways, if the coming 2 candles will give us sideways, it will be a reason for sell. Entering here is like jumping in. I don't encourage jumping in any trade. You don't jump in when the boss is moving. If you jump in, you might get wounded. So, but after this very strong move, let us see 3 waves pullback, something like A, B, C. Then we have a reason to sell. From there we can now sell. But if it doesn't give us a pullback, forget it, because we can enter sell from here. The next you see a sharp move up. If it gives us 3 waves pullback, and now it will go something like this, 1, 2, 3. This type of move is a correction. If you see something similar happens here, then we can sell. Let's move on. Eurochef. we are looking for sell in euro chef. You see, last during the weekend I told you that we will likely have a side move towards this line, and after that we're gonna sell. Let me go to 1 hour to give you something to hold on. If you want to sell, we have a reason to look for sell in euro chef. We have a reason to look for sell. This is a channel. It's the channel, and it's a reason for look for sell. So a break of this channel can give us a reason to sell. So if you want to trade sell euro, chef and New Zealand is preferable. In fact, chef will be the best, but a break of this will give us a further move down. But though it might be much, but at least it will go below this level and further down. So keep your eyes watching the break of that channel. The next is euro card. Euro card is equaling doing something like euro chef. From this blue box, instead of giving off a sharp move up, we are getting sideways. Sorry, a trade anyway is a sideways moving. I expected this type of move, but once it's happening like this, look for a drop. So what I'm looking for now is when price breaks this channel, I will sell, and my selling, the price will likely go deeper than the previous channel. What does that mean? It means that this wave 4 will be somewhere here. So, but for now, be patient and wait to know what happens. The price might turn before this place or after this place, but look for sale. That's my message. Look for sale on euro card. Euro GBP, euro pounds. Euro pounds, last week I said that we are looking for a move down and a further push up, and it happened exactly as I forecasted. I said unless price closes above this place, then we are still looking for down unless price closes above this. But you can see it's happened. See the push down, I said it will happen. See the move up, I said that we are looking for another push up, and it has happened, and now the market is going down. So I don't consider it a careless risk if we sell this pair. Let me go to 1 hour. See, now this market is good to sell just right now, and your stop loss will be here. Maybe by the time you get to this video, I don't know what will be happening, but if price doesn't reverse so quickly, selling from here makes a lot of sense, because the way I see it, it will break all this low and come down. So it's another euro pair to sell. But mind you, in the long run, let me go to daily. In the long run, this is the first move we are looking for. The first phase of buying. After this, second phase we hold. Let me go to 4 hours. So after this, what I'm looking for is not a big move. I'm looking for something like ABC, which might end. Let me plot my Fibonacci. A move from here. So expect a price action that will end around here. If we get a 3 waves pullback that terminates in this blue box, then we have reason to buy, and what we expect is a similar move or greater than this. So if we get a move, a corrective move to this blue box, what we are expecting the next is a move that will go as high as its area. So if we get corrective move to this box and get a buying setup, we buy and we target 88.58800 area. So we'll be trading a good trade on Euro GBP if we get what we're looking for. Let's move on. USD card. In USD card, during the weekly analysis, I said something. If you remember that if you watched my analysis, you said that we are looking for a move that will come down to this blue box, but it will only be invalid if the price moves above this place. But you can see price tried to push very hard and turn back quickly. So right now price is moving up again, but this up move, what do you say about it? I don't see this price taking out this place without giving us a new low. So we might have some up move, but it's gonna turn down and give us a lower price. So in 1 hour we look for sell. In this up move, we will likely, let me plot Fibonacci again. From this level, if we get a 3 waves move, this is or 1 wave is already moving, maybe something like this, A, B, C, something like this. If we get something like this, we will have reason to look for sell. And the selling will move. Let me use this one. The selling will now go lower. So expect, this is what I expect. It may not happen, but this is what, if I see such move, then I will sell. That's what I'm trying to say. If I see such move, such corrective move, then I will sell. Not that it must happen. It might turn back from this area and go down, but I am looking for sell. That's the message. For now, I am looking for sell on USD card. So, but mind you, all these things is correction. The main trend is going up. Hope you know. Of course, in daily candle, we expect a big move up. It have delayed. I said this before. It have delayed. So whenever you see price close above here, know that we are going to have a big buy that will come to 1.3 and above. It have delayed all this many many months, it's even more than 1 year. It's been going down. So market doesn't go to one direction forever. That's why, as we're looking for sell, we bear in mind that the main trend have almost turned to buying. Bear that in mind, so that if you are selling, don't relax so much. USD JPY. USD JPY, let me go to 4 hours. USD JPY, yesterday I had a training with my students. That's when I removed all my labelings. So, but right now, when I have time, I will label them again. But we are still in wave 3 in daily chart in JPY. But right now, this correction seems to be over. But for you to confirm that, we need a price move that will break this high, a move above this high. Maybe you might get a drop again. From here we get a close above this place, something like this. something like this, something like this. So this is what we expect, what I expect. Either from here the price keep going up, or it drop a little further, then break this, then we know that wave 5 has begun, and the wave 5 target is 112 or little less than 112. Wave 5 target is 112. So what I'm trying to say is that I will not look for sell until I see another move up that will give the price to this place. Then from there I will look for sell. So that's my message, my forecast on USD JPY. USD chef. USD chef is also giving us something similar to USD JPY. So, but in USD TF, I can see another sell coming, but in USD JPY I don't see another sell coming. So we might have a buy and a sell again for now. But when you keep watching this channel, though, if this channel continues, you forget about buying. Sorry, if this channel continues further, maybe it continues moving like this. If it continues moving like this from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, something like this, then we forget about whatever we are looking for. Then the buy will continue from here. So further move within the channel, I will forget about a sharp move up. If you get a sharp move, maybe today or tomorrow, we will likely have another sell. But if it continues this way, we forget about selling, because the selling will end in the channel and the buying will continue to give us another new high from here. AUD USD. AUD USD is buying now, but don't jump in until it's close. It's buying anywhere, but let me go to 1 hour to know if okay, the move is strong already. It's strong already. So if you get a correction, maybe something like this, we can buy, or bigger. This is a small correction. If you get a bigger one, we can buy. But for now, don't jump in, because price might turn back to this place and come back to this place. As a matter of fact, if the price turns back to this place and correctively come to this line again, then we buy from here. So you don't jump in when the market have moved much. You only join the buying or selling when you, after the first move correction, you join. So the move up is sure, but joining here doesn't make sense unless you are trading on daily candle or 4 hours candle. Then you can enter here, because even if it comes back here, it doesn't matter. But if you enter here will be your stop loss. If you enter, if you get a correction like this, here will be our stop loss. Gold. In gold, I expected a move down. I said if the price action, if price closed below this place, properly and give us a correction, we sell. But price pierced it, move fast, sharply up. So for now, as far as concerned, gold not yet to buy. I'm expecting a sell, but it must be a confirmed selling. The only time I will look for buy is when price pierces this. I mean, properly closes above this place and give us a correction like this, a side move like this. Then that's the only time I will buy gold. But for now, I will be on the start line watching what happens. This sharp candle, can it give us? Is it the start of buying? I don't know yet. Okay, but for now, let's keep watching. Silver is similar to gold. In silver, just like what's happening in gold, in silver, I'm still looking for move down. I don't know if it happened or not, but for now we have a channel. This might be a flag, but not a. It might form a flag and give us a buying. But the buying, of course, in 1 hour candle, it will be a good trade. If you get a buy here, we target the upper channel of the upper line of the channel. So if you get a buy here, maybe you bought it here, target here, is a good trade because stop loss will be here, take profit will be here, because it might come to this place and do what happened here might happen. You see it coming down again and come to this place. So price may the price may come to this place and what happened here will happen again. Something like this. Price might come up here and you see what happened here repeat itself. It's possible market repeat itself, so it can happen. That's why if you are buying, if you are buying, let your stop loss be here, so that the stop loss will be small. In case a sharp move, you lose a little. But to me, I rather wait for this to go up here. If I see a selling setup, I sell towards this channel again. If it is strong enough, it will break the channel and give us a new low in 4 hours. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. So it gives us a new low in 4 hours. So, but for now, patience is better. Let's know whether it will come here and give us a selling, or it will move sharp and give us a selling from break of this channel. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD. The buying is becoming strong. The buying is becoming strong, but because of this channel, I'm not too comfortable to. If you have entered it, maybe somewhere here, you move your stop to break even, but because you see this channel, it came back for this channel. So what happened here might happen again. So for that reason, being on the side of the line might be something reasonable to do for now. So, but in 1 hour time frame, you can see the buying is strong, but because of this very channel, you can wait to know if we get pullback correction, because what happened here we might get something like this, BC. So if price begin to come down and we get something like this, BC, then we buy from maybe around here, and it might be the buy that will give us the bullish we are expecting, which will break this line and keep going on. But entering buy from here doesn't seem to be something good to do, except you base your trade on daily candle, which if you buy from here, stop loss will be here, and take profit will be somewhere above this place. So we keep watching to see how it will develop. Bitcoin is sharp approaching our target. You know, our target is this trend line stroke blue box, and once price comes to this trend line and the blue box, we might have a sharp sell. Okay, so just if you are trading Bitcoin on margin, you consider to take your profit when price comes to this upper channel. It may pierce it, but it might not go deeper. And a matter of fact, psychological level for Bitcoin is 70,000. If Bitcoin hits 70,000, you might see a very sharp sell-off, because many people are targeting to sell at 70,000. So, but not a must that it will come to 70,000. I remember last time when Bitcoin come to 20,000, in some brokers it didn't come to 20,000. It ended at 19,900 and something. So if you are being static that it must be 20,000, you see that after that it came down to 4,000. So anything can happen in crypto. That's why it calls for caution. That's why when I tell people not good time to buy, some people think I'm being pessimistic. Not being pessimistic. I'm trying to help you preserve your capital. Because many people are asking me, Bitcoin is going up, will I buy when price was here? They don't buy. It doesn't make sense to buy when the price is already high. And after that, after some days, you see this a pullback. I said now you can buy within this place. So that's how you trade. You buy on time. When it's deep, you sell when it is high. Okay, no much to talk. We are seeing it. It's coming to the target we expected. So Ethereum is going within the channel. Until price hits this channel, we might get a reversal for this channel. Maybe it will move for some time within the channel. It will move for some time within the channel. But for now, if you are trading it on margin, consider taking your profits when it comes to the channel. And after maybe something like this, you can buy again, because something like this is bound to happen. 3 waves pullback or correction, then you buy again. If the selling is not sharp, but if the selling is sharp like this, you wait, because it might go deep. Okay. BNB. Let me go to 1 hour in this BNB to show you things. Somebody wanted to know what we expect in BNB. The person wanted to buy it when the person saw the sharp move, wanted to buy. I said, please don't buy. We might get a pullback. And after 2 hours, the pullback began. And we can see, here is the first target of the pullback. It means that price can continue to go up after this place. Then the second target is here. It means we will likely see price come down here before going up. And here is third target. It means that price can come down here before going up. So in this case, if you are buying Ethereum, sorry, BNB, Binance Coin, as an investment. If you buy it now, know that with the price might still come back to 400 level, 430 level, but definitely it will go up again. So my advice is that if you are buying it as an investment, maybe you plan to buy it $1,000, you can buy now with $300, and you wait. If price comes back to this level, you can buy the rest. Then if you come back to this level, it doesn't matter because it's an investment, and eventually it will go up. But buying when the price is here doesn't make sense because it will frustrate you. It will frustrate you. That's why I tell those who listen to me, you don't buy when the price is moving very sharp, because you can see a sharp reversal the next minute or the next hour. Okay, let me go to next pair. SRP is going up. If you don't have SRP as an investment, I will advise you to buy the much you want to hold. When I mean investment, not what you buy today and sell next week or next month. Maybe because you buy, because now my target on SRP is $10. So if I buy SRP, I won't buy it as a margin. I'll buy it as an investment and target when it comes to $10. So if you buy SRP worth $2,000 now, you will likely get $10,000 in future. I don't know when, but it will happen. Litecoin, they are all going up. For Litecoin, expect a selling, expect a pullback on Litecoin. Doge is doing fantastically well, but nevertheless, expect a correction. Doge is strong. If you want to buy a coin that will make you rich in future, consider buying ETH as an investment. The price is good now. As a matter of fact, I will add to my investment on this. I will buy more ETH. And once it hits $1, you are on money. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY is still it's still not sincere what it wants to do. So, but alright. To talk about to buy, let it close above here. If not, I'm still looking for it as something that will drop once more. I'm still seeing it as something that will drop once more. Okay? I'm still seeing something that will drop once more, at least to this level. But it will likely go below this level. But for now, I will not buy until it goes above this place. Even if I buy above this place, I will be cautious of it because it can still come down and give us a new low. Okay. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. I'm still looking for a drop. And this to me is an impulse, and we may get. Let me go to 1 hour. So this to me is an impulse. So, and this can be WXY, which is A. This can be B. Okay, let me label it. This can be A, B, and the C will be somewhere here. Let me give you the target of C to know what you are looking for. Okay, C might be over. C might be over. This is the target of C wave. So it means that we can have the price move up to this blue box, or it have ended and the selling will go down from here. As a matter of fact, if you want to trade a risky trade, if you don't want to wait for confirmation, because to confirm this selling, it have to close above here. But if you don't want to wait, if you want to risk you can enter, you can sell from here. If price comes up, sell from here blindly and let your stop loss be here. You know, in forex, more risk, more profit, but don't risk blindly. When you want to risk, let you risk when the stop loss is closed, is tight. That's when you risk. You don't risk when the stop loss is wide. So the confirmation for selling is below this place, but it can start here. If you can follow it well, it can start here, because I see it as dropping further before the buying will properly resume. So that's what I can see. Okay. And if that doesn't happen, if the buying continues, I wait for here, closing above here, I will buy to 1.42. You see this out have been here, that we are taking to 1.42. Okay, pound chef. The same thing is applicable. I'm looking for a further drop, and the market is moving sideways now. So any buy stop around this place, any set up around this place, I will sell. You can see the way it's moving. It's giving us, it's this channel and giving us, okay, this is channel. This channel is broken, but the market is making another channel. So it's a sign that the buyers are not strong enough to push the pair higher. So another selling is expected, though it might not be much, but another selling is expected. Pounds card. Pounds card, this is a buy zone. It means we might still have a drop before the buying continues. So to buy, wait for it to close above this place, because right now both buyers and sellers are not that strong. The market is at the turning point. So we wait to know who takes the deal, whether the buyer or whether the buyers or the sellers. Pounds New Zealand. Pounds New Zealand. It's making a channel. It's making a channel. What do you expect? If price continue going toward this channel, then we'll be looking for buy. But once it broke the channel properly, we buy from there. But further drop will give us more reason to look for our buy entry. As you can see on 1 hour, this sharp move shows that we have a further move down, maybe pull back, further move down. So if you want to buy pounds New Zealand, be patient so that you buy at the right time, not at the wrong time. Pounds ZAR, this pair is worth trading, because stop loss is tight. If you trade this pair, stop loss will be here, and the target will be somewhere here. So it will be a good trade. The confirmation level is here. Above here confirms our buy. But from what I see in 1 hour, this buying have started. But to confirm, let it go above this place. So what I'm trying to say is, if you're willing to risk, this risk is good, because why is the stop loss is so close, it's tight. So it's that stop loss. Even if it moves down, you just lose a little money. But it goes up Before the conversion level, you have made some money. Okay, pounds AUD is inside the channel. How long will it go inside the channel? I don't know. But to trade when market is channeling, is you look for a setup within the channel. For instance, this is a trade setup, because this channel, inside channel, and you have seen this type of candle. It shows you that it's not going to break the channel and it's going down, and it will likely come to this channel again, but you don't enter it here. You would have entered it if you are monitoring it. This is when you have entered it. When this breaks, then you target here, because here will be your stop loss. Though it's still good to trade. You target here, stop loss here. Then anyway, if you don't have open trades, you might try to trade that. New Zealand card. Okay, New Zealand card and New Zealand, I think New Zealand chef is doing something similar. Okay, the buying is strong in 1 hour, but if you get correction in 1 hour, we can buy. The buying is strong. If we get three ways pullback from here, we can buy. New Zealand JPY also showing us strong buy in 1 hour. As you can see, we might have A, B, C, and go down. So that's why we like to wait for confirmation levels. We might have, this can be an A, B, C, then we get another low. So for now, if you get correction here, if you get correction here, something like this, A, B, C, then the buying will be sure. But if you see a sharp move down, forget it. We are getting to a new low. New Zealand chef. Similar situation, but this one is somehow different. It's somehow different in the sense that this down move seems to have ended here, and buying makes sense and target this place. So buying this market makes sense. Target this place, then here you stop loss. Here you will stop loss. So buying it makes sense from here and target this place. Okay. USD ZAR, just like pounds ZAR. And you can see this type of candle is a reversal candle. So if you want to take the risk, stop loss here, then you buy and target the current maybe 1600 or thereabout. But the confirmation level for buying is here. If you're a conservative trader, wait for the price to close above here before you buy. But if you're an aggressive trader, you decided to risk little money, you can buy now. Maybe it can come here, you close it, or when it moves here, you save your stop loss to break even and know whether it will break it and continue going, or it goes back. If it goes back, you didn't lose anything. If it goes up, you gain a lot. US Nasdaq 100 is almost at our target of wave 3. Oh. You know, we target wave 3 to be 144, 14,400, and it's coming there gradually. We might have some little move, and it will, I think it will surely come to this level. I think we're gonna have this wave 3 to this level. So if you bought it from here, congratulations, and don't be in a haste to take your profit. Just wait, it's gonna come to this place. That's all I can say about that. Next is US 30. It's not as strong as US 100, but it's going up. In this, I expect a drop before going up again. S&P 500 is also going up, but right now it's almost at the channel. At the upper channel, it's almost at the upper channel. So, and you can see the way it's moving. We might have a drop or something like this anytime. Something like this will likely happen. Let me go to 1 hour. Where it's moving, we likely have something like this anytime from here. Then if it happens, it will be a good opportunity to buy once more. Okay, I have got to the end of today's midweek review and updates. Join our Telegram channel for free. If you want to take our course, we teach you how we do what we do. We will to trade with peace of mind. Many people used to ask me how they join Telegram channel. Let me show you how you join Telegram channel. Maybe some people don't know what, when I say description of the video. Let me go to my channel. Let me show you. This is my last video, and when you open the video, the description is paid. From the description, somebody posted for description is here. This is description. You click more, and when you click more, you can see this is my Telegram channel. This is my WhatsApp channel link. If you click this link, it will take you to my Telegram channel. It's free. This link will take you to my WhatsApp channel, but I prefer Telegram. This also take you to my WhatsApp channel. You can call me. You can see this phone number. You can call me, send me SMS, send me WhatsApp message, and that you want to take my course. I'll add you to the students channel. As I have said earlier, the amount I charge you is very small. It's the money you can make in a day in a single swing of trade. If you are trading up to 0.5 swing, so if you are trading and losing, why not take a course? Why not learn? Why not pause and learn? The market is not going anywhere. The market is not running away. As long as the internet is with us, we continue to trade forex. So why not take your time and learn before you begin to trade again? Okay. Remember to trade with stop loss. Don't overtrade. Use proper lot size. Manage your trades. When you are in profit, move your stops to break even, because anything can happen in the market. When you are losing, don't ever shift your stop loss. I say again, when you are losing, don't ever shift your stop loss, because you might think that the market will. Let me show you something. You might think maybe you enter the buy wrong here, wrongly, thinking it will go to the moon, and you start seeing, and you start seeing it going down, and you keep shifting your stop loss, keep shifting it. You can blow your account. If you place a stop, let it be there. If it kills it, market is risk. You don't gain all. You don't lose all. So never shift your stop loss unless to break even. Thank you. God bless you. Trade with care.